Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting quickly. First, confirm your iPhone has an Apple ID active and runs iOS 15 or later, because the app requires modern OS features. Once done, make sure you have your Microsoft account or your work/school credentials at hand. You'll need them to sign in. Open the App Store now and tap Search. This is the first actionable step. Download Microsoft Teams. While it installs, verify Wi-Fi or cellular is working, and free up about 100 MB if storage is tight. Once the app finishes installing, open Teams and follow the prompts. Choose whether you're signing in with a work or personal account so Teams loads the correct features. Enter your email and password, and if your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step. It keeps your account secure. Make sure to grant permissions for microphone, camera, and notifications when asked. These let you join calls and receive messages. If you want, adjust notification settings later. Go to iPhone settings, then Teams to fine-tune alerts. To finish, verify everything. Join a quick test meeting or send a chat to confirm audio, video, and notifications are working. This proves permissions and connectivity are correct. If something fails, restart the iPhone first, then reinstall Teams. Often that clears cached errors. If sign-in or access issues persist, make sure VPN or corporate device policies aren't blocking the app, and check single sign-on settings with your IT admin. One key tip: toggling Wi-Fi off and on sometimes resolves stubborn connection problems instantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.